Alright, back with round 2. The first time it didn't work because maybe that battery was discharged, but we'll try it again. It seems to be getting a stronger signal here. Let's see. I'm going to lift it because it's 4-wheel drive, or actually no, it's 2-wheel drive. I'm not getting anything at all. Okay, that's weird. Left and right, I'm not getting anything. So maybe it needs to be rebound. This is getting power, obviously. This is getting power. So I'll turn it off. Turn it back on. It says it's getting power, but the motor isn't running. Left and right. Oh, there we go. So, ooh, okay, so it's reversed. Let's do that. I don't want it to go. Wait. I want it to go left and right here. Okay, left and right. Left and right. Oh, and forward. Let's see here. Bring this closer without messing up the connections here. Forward. Oh, it's working, it's working. Forward. Back is not working. Forward. Backward is not working. Yep. And then left and right. Okay, so it works. That's exactly what I wanted. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. We are golden here.